Greetings everyone. Today I will show you two ways how to download a Blender for free. So the first method is through Steam. So you sign up and download the Steam app, and now go to Blender and click here for the free. And now you can choose when you want to install it. It's not a big app. It's like 1 gigabyte. So you select your drive, and if you want to start menu or shortcut, and you hit install. Now your install will begin. Now you wait until it's installed, and I will skip ahead. We'll see you when this is done. Now, as you can see, after the download is complete, it will install. And now it's installed. Now click on the pop-up right here and launch it. And now, as you can see, it's loading up. So you can import your preferences if you have other version of Blender. You can choose language here. There is a lot of them. Now theme, key map, and mouse. And save new preferences. Now there is manuals, tutorials, support, communication, etc. And there is also a link to the website official. Here is what you want to do with it. Now you click, and as you can see, we have Blender with all its functions. I remember correctly, damn it. I do not remember anything. Now as you can see, move. Here it is. And now we can move the object. As you can see, there is everything, like modeling, UV editing, textures, shading, animation, rendering, etc. There is a lot of things. And now I will show you the second method. In this method, we'll download the Blender from the official website. But from my opinion, the Steam one is much better because it will automatically update. This one will not. So when you are ready, click download Blender. It will pop up when you want to download it. Save. And now just wait when it's downloaded. It will not take long. It's really small. And when you are waiting, consider please supporting the Blender. It's free software with no ads. And it's living just by the donations of its community. So if you have some spare money, donate to them. Now, when it's done, run it. It's 100% safe, so select run it anyway. And now you are in the installation wizard. Next, read all of this, or don't. But you must hit accept. Now click next. And here you have many options, like what will be installed or not, like libraries of functions, the Blender itself. So this will add another 80 megabytes on your drive. but we want everything, so I will keep it as default. Now hit next, and the installation will begin. Again, this should not take long, like maybe 5 minutes. As you can see, for me it's really fast. And here you can see what it's actually doing, like copying new files to the hard drive, etc. So, as you just saw, sometimes will be open window which looks like CMD, but that doesn't matter. Now click finish. And here, as you can see, you will get some pop-ups for settings, etc. But because we already did it with the first method, it skipped. And now, as you can see, we are right at the menu. So again, we can move the objects, like the camera, the lighting. This is the lighting for your scene. This is the camera. And this is the object itself. And you ask me, you can use it for 3D modeling. So if I can don't save, load some of my old things. This could be a little bit overwhelming because this is not good. At least I think so. 3D things. Here is, for example, little octopus that I made. It's really ugly, but for training, it was pretty good experience. And this way, you have a whole Blender. Nothing is paid here. You have the full version. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed. And it will do good to you. Use it to make good things. Not like this ugly octopus. And I will see you later. Bye.